Curious about that SPC file in a game music collection? This captures the actual sound chip output from Super Nintendo games. Authentic 16-bit era audio preserved at the hardware level. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play these classic game soundtracks. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional SPC file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. SPC files are audio files containing captured sound data from the Sony SPC700 audio processor used in the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. They store the complete audio DSP state, including instrument samples, music sequence data, echo buffer, and register values for authentic SNES music reproduction. SNES SPC files store a 64 kilobyte RAM dump of the SPC700 processor state, including BRR-encoded audio samples, DSP register configurations, echo buffer contents, and the executing music driver code. The format captures a snapshot enabling cycle-accurate reproduction of the original SNES audio output. The anticipated software for loading SPC is FooBar 2000, created by Peter Pawlowski. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows provides playback but lacks the full toolbox needed for precise audio adjustments. Your first step towards recovery. Right-click the SPC file and choose Open With. If FooBar 2000 is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. If your SPC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the SPC format. First, playing SPC music. Use FooBar 2000 with the Game EMU Player component or Winamp with the SPC Play plugin to play SPC files. These players emulate the SPC700 sound processor to reproduce the original SNES audio output faithfully. VLC Media Player with codec extensions may also support SPC playback. Next, browsing SPC collections. Download curated SPC music collections from repositories like Zophar's Domain or SMS Power. Use FooBar 2000's playlist features to organize soundtracks by game title. SPC files include embedded metadata tags, identifying the game title, song name, artist, and duration for library organization. Finally, converting to standard audio. Use SPC2 WAV or FooBar 2000's converter to render SPC files to WAV or MP3 format. Configure the output duration as SPC files often loop indefinitely. Set a fade-out time, typically 2-3 minutes, to create standard-length audio tracks suitable for portable music players and streaming. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.